Boy, we go on tough like them make from black. Give them rifle shot, make you bust it back.
Wagwan viewers, wagwan subscriber, welcome to Rope Dan channel. You don't know the thing already. Make sure you like, share and subscribe and leave a comment. So you don't know the thing, we're gonna jump in another one here with Iwin. You don't know Iwin come out with a new music video called Too Much Badness. I mean I tell you say the video. Viewers, I know a long time I don't hear nothing from Iwin and thing. But me I tell you say that video here it a going with a bag of things. I want to support it and thing. You don't know. What me I say is I want everybody to take a preview and just go over to the channel and check out the video, you know what I mean? I go just give you a small preview because you don't know Rastaman always blaze the fire and thing, you know what I mean? So come and go in at the video, people. See it here.
Some look it today, the little that they got is took it away. Me tell you say, badness some boy I pray and can't afford team much less loyal feel. Some say them they are head of the game, let of the aim, them kill sister and brother for fame. Life should make them vex and embarrass. Only when them in a trouble them embarrass. Love got stoop and bend for cash. Warrior off you burn them for that. Many don't know where they're going or remember where they're coming from. Shoot they keep running from. Better to be at the beach with my family having fun in sand and chasing my brother.
No, the artists are look out pan the youth them where deal with the badness and now motivate themselves to make some money. Straight up artists.
Show it away. Like a ball, throw it away. Whether you know it long time or know it one day. Too much sadness. Show it away.
Alright, because I want to get hot and thing, you know, so I'm going to talk about Vybzkartel. You don't know, the man always a push out him big work them. Him and Tommylee comes up boom and drop a new music video, which you don't know teaching of their road and thing people, so you don't know a whole heap of splicing Tommylee do and some long time clippings with the world boss and put in. You don't know that thing they go. Just leave a comment on the one because you don't know when you see the video you're gonna make me know what I'm going straight. You see me people. But as I say people, Tommylee are going wicked from money, you don't know. I mean I appreciate the man them kick with 2020 already because them a push out the work and thing. The youth progressive, you know what I mean? I'm not joke about it, you know what I mean? So we're gonna pre the video named Chop Chop. You see me?
How would that pop out? Yo Alex, weed and alcohol that mean me need for your fragile to shine the beam. Well after all that tongue you beat the general. Gaza man no take no this you violate your peer. Daily hear the baby them no scary. Eagle pitch for cherry weary. No boy no step pa me suede. Jump in your mouth you nah no sense me nah no change. Jump in the shower fuck me girl when she a bathe. Then me will a fade and will a braid under the shade. Bill a spliff, boss a is a spade. Me no play loose man, man never prepared. Full of gun, hungry thing me nah have some grenade. Hey boy you fi brave, nah catch you if you're afraid. On the bed back on, to a gun, body bag, road black, chop chop, mid man. Coffee boy make a deal like that. Fire cream ignite, now so bright like star. Now I run down my body, break shot. Somebody boy read, cause a damn funeral. Shadow grave, hard boy. You fi brave, nah catch you if you're afraid. Hey boy, you fi brave, nah catch you if you're afraid. Full of gun, hungry thing me nah have some grenade. Hey boy, you fi brave, nah catch you if you're afraid. You fi brave, girl your pussy you go pay. If you want no good, you know you a fi DJ. Hey girl, you fi brave, cause your pussy never shave. If you want no good, you know you a fi DJ. We bring the fire more degree than Dr. Bartigan. How them want fi test when we are the star and them are the god.
Yo people, check out that one here, you know, the young upcoming artist, you know, Romain, you know, people. The youth drop him thing, you know, him drop him song called Sneeze. I mean I tell you, you know, easy. You see me, people? Me go give you a sneak preview of the youth thing. Me I tell you, youth from Mobia Bona from my chop road. They get him and say, you can know the badness go from day one, you know, people. Subscribe to your channel, you know, and make sure you hit the notification bell, you know, people. And mix. So you leave a comment, you know, no joke about it, you know what I mean? When you go in another one, man, me I tell you, I know nothing normal, straight, what? Rope. So you don't know the choppings, Garrett. I could check it out. Sneeze.
Just
sneeze I make money. Billions, man, I pray dog. I know nothing funny. Couple million at the bank, you know the chopper keeps stunning. Yeah, the chopper keeps stunning cause all man have to do. Just sneeze I make money. Money make a girl go down. Sit down palm body. Money change no man, but we never pray.
Viewers, subscribe, but you don't know the thing already, you know. The sneeze and make money, you know, straight up, you know. Me I tell you, say the artist Romain bad, you know. You don't need to check him out, you know. Follow him on the Instagram, check out him YouTube, and don't know, give him the support. You don't know, upcoming artists, give him the strength, you know what I mean? We need it.
I'm gonna say I'll save you. Hilltop, 100 bucks. It not take long. Save you, it not take long. It not take long. Yo, Hilltop, it easy. And I'm nothing hard. 4-4 bulldog and no puppy lad. Save you, load that car.
Viewers, subscribe. I'm know the long for the one you're from Taurus Inc, you know. Cause a long time him push out a new music video from them time till now. So you don't know, him a pre-2020 on a different angle and I push out some different type of work. So him release a video called Laugh Now, Cry Later. So you know the thing got the video shot people. I don't want to tell you say it's a good song. But you don't know me stay from day one. Me go give you a preview, you see me?
Your work is going to fill a large part of your life. And the only way to be truly satisfied is to do what you believe is great work. And the only way to do great work is to love what you do. If you haven't found it yet, keep looking. Don't settle. As with all matters of the art, you will know when you find it. Dark as midnight. Make them laugh now, later them a go sorry. When them a style man, feelings me no carry. Me hold out for years and me never see nobody. When them inna them hype man, still a take cabby. Them deal with man life, me never was somebody. When me want the support, everybody did that array. Man I live favor than bless, me no shabby. No fear, no evil when me walk the valley. Me just play the fool for catch wise. All when them a style me no make nice. Me laugh same way, one like some with them, pretty much them they even know man I get wise. Me never switch lanes and me never yet take sides. Why them want me get it in a head side? Man firm na earth, I know I'm a meds right. If I not the student, I'm day on my bedside. God see and knows what I've been through. Believe in yourself, yes I got you for do. Get on youth, don't make them tell you what you can do. Because none of them will never do that for you. Make them laugh now, later them a go sorry. When them a style man, feelings me no carry. Me one out for years and me never see no.
Yo, that can't come bring me a studio.
Viewers, you don't know well that's it. Make sure you leave your honest comment on the videos you like, you know what I mean? And you don't know Romain TV, I'm out.